Hello children, let's learn some colors. Yellow color, green color, sky blue color, red color, orange color. Let's learn some numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 0, 10. Let's draw some shapes. Square, circle, triangle, heart, star. Blue color, square. Green color, circle. Sky blue color, triangle. Purple color, heart. Red color, star. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Square, circle, triangle, heart, star. Please like my video and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you children.